Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Mickey Beignets. First, gather your ingredients like flour, yeast, sugar, and milk. You'll need to activate the yeast with warm water and a pinch of sugar. Then, combine all the wet and dry ingredients to form a soft, pliable dough. We'll cover the rising process and how to achieve that perfect texture. Get ready for a magical baking experience. To begin, gently warm 1 1/2 cups of water to about 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir in 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, letting it bloom for 5 minutes. Next, whisk in 1 cup of evaporated milk and 2 large eggs. Gradually add 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead for about 5 minutes until smooth. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Use a Mickey Mouse-shaped cookie cutter to create your iconic Beignets. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few Beignets into the hot oil, frying for about 1 minute per side until golden brown. Drain them on paper towels. As soon as your Beignets are out of the oil, generously dust them with powdered sugar. They are best enjoyed warm, so serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce or a cup of coffee. This recipe brings a touch of theme park magic right into your kitchen, perfect for a special breakfast or dessert. For more great tips and to find deals on your next reading adventure, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.